You look like a statue.
Hello and welcome to Confluence Park in Calgary, and this is our first sedimentology masterclass. I've got Arizona here on camera, and we're trying to give you an idea about how meandering channels behave and what deposits they leave behind. The outcrop itself is from the Pascapoo sandstone. It's around 60 million years old, and we'll see lots of sedimentary structures. And we'll start off by giving you a little bit of background about how meandering channels behave. So this is a sketch of a meandering channel here. This is the channel itself in blue. The channel is going around the outside of a bend. And what you get is, on the outside of this bend, you get erosion. So you form what's called a cut bank as the channel erodes into these bank deposits. On the inside of the bend, the current's moving much more slowly, and there you get deposition. So there you'll have the bank building out through time, forming these lateral accretion surfaces, or LAS. At the base of the channel itself, there are lots of sand dunes, and the sand is being carried along by the current, and those sand dunes are often preserved in the rock record. So when we look at what's left behind after the channel has continued migrating towards the left of the picture, what we'll see is that at the base there, we have these sandy deposits, trough cross-bedded sandstones, and then we pass up into finer grained sediments, which are these lateral accretion surfaces. And you can see, and they form what's called point bars, which is basically another name for the bank of the river. And what I've done here is to draw you two different point bars. So these point bars, this first point bar was formed, and then the river cut through this first point bar, and then the second point bar started being deposited as well. So let's have a look and see what these deposits look like in outcrop.